Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 4066R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 440R quick attach front loader. The tractor has a cab heat and air, has just under 1,300 hours on it. It's in really nice shape. Has the John Deere style hookup here for your bucket connection. Has the front grill guard on it. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. We had a little bit of a paint spot right here that was off a little bit, so that is touched up right here, but overall very clean, very nice tractor. Tires are nearly new in the front and back. It's got the two doors in the cab. Work lights in the front and back of the cab. Has a dual rear remotes back here. You can lift and lower and raise your 3-point arms with this knob right here, and then you can physically move the tractor forward and back with these buttons right here. With that Hitch Assist, you can really easily hook up implements. That's a really nice feature. Also has the stabilizer bars on both sides. So it's got a little bit of a crack here in the fender. Very minor, but you have a little bit of a crack there the way it looks. Overall, very clean tractor. Two steps here. Get up in the cab. There's the air ride seat for the operator. 3 ranges on your hydrostatic transmission. 2 pedals on the floor down below to operate your transmission forward and back. And then have your loader control, hydraulic 3-point PTO, everything over there to the right, as well as your load match, speed match, motion match, cruise control, all that good stuff as well. 4-wheel drive lever here in the dash. Up top you've got the climate controls, and then also over here you've got your radio. Tractor also is under factory John Deere warranty till February of 2024, so you got lots of factory warranty remaining. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.